Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create watermark on CapCut, add watermark to a video. So if you want to add watermarks onto your videos, then you're onto the right guide. So for us to be able to get started, so as you can see, we're currently onto CapCut's editor already. And for us to begin, let's add in the video that we want to add the watermark. So as you can see, I have imported a video already in here, but if you haven't onto your end, just head to media and under media, we could see import in there. Simply click onto the import button to go ahead and add in the video. Now, once you have imported that, it is time to add them onto the timeline. To add them, you could just simply drag or you could click onto this blue button. Since we have added the track already, let's add in the watermark. So you could add in a sticker for that, or you could also try to do a demo text. So we'll use demo text for this. And for that, let's click onto text here onto the upper part corner of the screen. Then right after, click onto default text. And just click onto the text in here that is onto the upper part of your video. And then you could go ahead and edit this as per your liking. So for example, we'll add in here watermark. And once you have added that, you should be able to find it here. You could simply drag that and you could also change the font to add in some style. So just choose any font you like and then you could position the watermark anywhere you want to add. So for example here, let's add it here. And then right after, we could adjust the duration by dragging this here up until the bottom of the video. Now, the next thing that we could do is also to edit the watermark. You could edit the font size for that, the style case, its color, character, line, and alignment. Now, you need to scroll down further until you find this option, which is blend. You need to make sure that this one is checked, and then right after, there is an option to adjust the opacity. You'll just need to simply go ahead and drag this as per your liking to go ahead and adjust the watermark's visibility. So we could leave this as 57%, and if we do a quick preview, this is how the watermark shows. And that is just basically it, how you create a watermark on CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.